Hello. I am pleased to welcome you to the third lesson on the Mechanica Module. To begin with, we will indicate the positions of the parts of the shaft we need. In the upper left corner, in the Part List group, select the Balance command. We specify the parts that will be included in the part list. For more information, press F1. To avoid clicking on the Balloons command every time, you can press the spacebar, and the previous command will be called again. After activating the command, we select the Position Align. Let's select these callouts. Confirm the selection by pressing Enter or right-clicking and choosing the Enter option. Next, choose the Line option in the command line. If it's inconvenient to select options in the command line, you can also make the alignment mode selection through a right-click. The next step will ask us to specify the starting and ending point of the line, along which our positions will be aligned. The wider the line is drawn, the further apart the aligned positions will be located from each other, and vice versa. After specifying the starting and ending points of the alignment line, all selected positions will be copied along it. Thank you for your attention. When you're ready, move on to the next lesson.